Venus enters Taurus, returning us to the frequency of embodiment, pleasure, stability, and self-worth. Hey there, this is Jojo from 7th Plane Healings and astrojo.com with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this episode, we are exploring Venus's entry into Taurus. And this is on the 31st of March, 2026 at 2 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be looking at Venus's conjunction to Chiron, squares to Pluto and Juno, semi-sextiles to Uranus, Neptune and Saturn, and how these frequencies are shaping your emotional, relational and creative field right now. But before we begin, just a quick note. If you love working with planetary frequencies, I've been creating personalized planetary alignments using tuning forks and frequency imprinted pendants that many of you have been asking about. So just check out the links in the description or astrojo.com or 7thplanehealings.com or just reach out to me. But in this episode, we shall be looking at how Venus in Taurus stabilizes your emotional and creative energy, how these aspects influence love, money, self-worth, and embodiment. And then we'll drop into a planetary tuning fork sound bath, which is designed to harmonize you with Venus in Taurus frequency. So settle in. This one is soothing and grounding and deeply restorative. And here is the astro breakdown. Venus rules Taurus. So when she enters her home sign on the 31st of March at 2 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, the energy becomes earthy and sensual and steady and embodied. This is the frequency of slowing down, reconnecting with your senses and remembering your inherent worth. So let's listen to Venus conjunct Chiron. This is a heart healing moment. Old wounds around love, value, or self-expression may rise. Not to hurt, but to be soothed and integrated. This is gentle, compassionate repair. And we have Venus in a square to Pluto. Deep emotional truth surfaces. Power dynamics in relationships or finances may become visible. This is an invitation to release old patterns and reclaim your worth. Venus square Juno. Commitments are tested. You may renegotiate relational agreements or clarify what you truly need. This is alignment through honesty. And Venus semi-sextile Uranus. It's a subtle spark of change. New desires, new creative impulses, or a shift in values may emerge. So this is quiet liberation. And Venus is semi-sextile Neptune. Softness, compassion, imagination. Your heart opens to beauty, art and spiritual connection. And Venus is in semi-sextile also with Saturn. This is grounded love, practical stability, a gentle reminder to honor your boundaries and long-term needs. And overall, Venus in Taurus invites you to return to your body, honor your worth and choose relationships and experiences that feel nourishing, steady and true. So let's align with these frequencies. I invite you to join me on this sacred sound journey Just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Just take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath. Just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And our affirmation is, I honor my worth and choose what nourishes me. I honor my worth and choose what nourishes me. just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling balance and harmony within. And if you'd like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment like this, but it's just personal for you, check out Seventh Plane Healings, astrojo.com for more information there, or reach out to me. And if you want to get that special birthday present for somebody, you could get a solar return chart for them with an interpretation, a full interpretation. It's about 36-page report, plus a tuning a tune up with the sound frequencies. Just go check out astrojo.com. I said reach out to me. And if you'd like to know more about my attuned coherent pendant, check out seventhplanehealings.com or reach out and I can tell you more. It's designed so that you can carry a coherent field with you. And thanks again for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. If you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe if you want more weekly Astrosonics journeys. And I've also got Spotify if you prefer to listen that way. And let's tune into the universe together.